Yes, sir.
Visible, sir?
Yes, sir. You are visible. You are audible, sir. So can you enhance your audio levels, sir? So
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
yes.
Sir, now it is okay, sir?
No, sir. No,
Sir?
it's not. No, it's not okay, sir. Kindly increase more, sir.
Now, sir?
Yeah, okay, sir. Okay, we will let you know. So if you're facing any difficulties, so
Sir.
welcome, sir.
Okay, 1 minute, sir. I have to...
No, sir. No, sir. Okay, sir. Perfect. Perfect. My side, my sound is reduced. So only okay. Okay, sir. Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir. Good evening, sir. How are you, sir?
Sir, I'm fine, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, please share your screen, sir.
Yes,
meanwhile, I will give the introduction. So, good evening to 1.5% here. So, already 2 days session is moreover completed. So, we are already shared meeting recordings and PPT, everything through the WhatsApp group. So, if you are facing any difficulties while you are practicing last 2 days session, you can discuss the resource person today, end of the session, or today end of the session. So, you can discuss what are the difficulties you are facing while doing for the document preparation with the LaTeX. So I hope the last 2 days session is more fruitful for you. Today's session also it will be giving that remarkable implication in your LaTeX knowledge. So I hope I am really excited to I am really excited to know about today's session. So what are the things I want to share today? So it will be more helpful. So if you have any queries, you can discuss at the end of the session. Meanwhile, if you have any queries, you can unmute and discuss with the resource person. So thank you so much for giving this wonderful opportunity. So we will see that we will meet after the session. Thank you. The session hand over to you. So hand over to Kumaresan, sir. Please, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Srisha. Thank you.
Thanks.
So, good evening, one and all. So, today is the third session and as well as the last session of our workshop. Okay, so in first session, we discussed the fundamentals of LaTeX. So, what is LaTeX? How does that LaTeX working? And what are the advantages are there? Different type of editors are there, like that. We discussed in the first session. Whereas in the second session, we mostly discuss on the structure of the document and the related contents. Okay. So, but this today's session, we will discuss about how to prepare slides. So, how to make presentations. Okay. So with the help of Beamer package, we will do these kind of things. Okay. So initially, we will discuss how to make PPTs. With LaTeX Overleaf tool. Okay. So after that, we will see how to draw a diagrams. See, in the previous sessions, mostly we discussed already we make some figure. That figure is uploaded into LaTeX. Okay, so that is the different case. But whereas there are some specific commands are there for drawing figures with the help of LaTeX code. Okay, so we will discuss about these kind of things. Okay. So after discussing the drawing with the TikZ, we will discuss what is notes with the Todonotes. Okay, so what kind of help we are getting from the LaTeX code. Okay, so once we completed the Todonotes, we will discuss about what is spreadsheet, how it is working with the help of that LaTeX code. Okay, so finally, you will do two exercise. Okay, so this is the outline for today class. Now, let's start with Beamer. So, see, whenever we are preparing some PPTs, so we will spend much time. We will spend more time for improving the presentation slides, text, figures, and whatever it is, alignment. Okay, so it is headache. So see, most of the time it is headache for many people because we don't have time to prepare for many slides. Okay. See, whenever we are doing now, sometimes themes or background themes are having problems. Sometimes the text format is having some problem. So figures also having some problems because so our expectation it may be different, but the particular figure it may be placed into somewhere else. So there are lot of problems are occur whenever we are preparing some PPTs in the Microsoft slides. Okay, most of the people are choosing that Microsoft PPT only. Okay, but if you know about Beamer, if you know about Beamer, and if you know about the LaTeX, so you can get more clarity. So the presentation slides, it is look like we are making some the beautiful one. Okay, so I prepared, so I make it all the slides are through LaTeX Beamer only. Okay, so here Beamer, it is all about a package for creating presentations. Okay, for example, this one like this. Okay, so it provides the Beamer document class. Okay, so here here we used that frame content. Okay, so the frame command we will use. Okay, so we will use the frame command for making slides with the help of Beamer package. Okay, so that is the simple thing about Beamer. So this is the example slash document class Beamer. So Beamer here, Beamer is the document name, document class name. See, suppose if you are using instead in place of the Beamer, we are using that article now. So that article document class, it doesn't have any frame command. Okay, so only Beamer only having that frame command, so that we are making different many multiple slides. Okay, so slash document class Beamer, and as well similarly, see what we done in the previous sessions. Again, we do the same thing. Title. So title of the that particular slide, and author name, and institute name, date of the presentation. Okay. So here, let's see slash begin document. Now we will begin the document. So we must close the document. Okay. So inside of the document, we are making slides with the help of frame command. Okay, so slash begin frame, and slash title page. Okay, so we must include the title page, then only it is appearing in the slides. Okay, so finally we will close the frame. Now let's see one simple example for this creating slides. So go to new project, click blank project, and project name will give sample. So create. Okay, so now we will change the document class name. Okay, so we will change the document class name. Okay, so I will zoom it so that you can easily. Yes. Okay, so now we will change article into Beamer. These are all the different type of templates are there. Okay, so if you want to make article, you can choose article. If you want to make presentation, you can choose Beamer. If you want to make book, you can choose book, letter, report. Okay, so these are all the default document class names are available in the Overleaf online tool. Okay, so now we will choose Beamer. Okay, so graphics, it is not required. Okay, we are not using any, we are not uploading any images. Okay, so no need for this package. By default, whenever we are creating some new project, by default these graphics packages are generated. Okay, so that's why necessarily we are using this package, so that I add it. Okay, so now title, author, date. Okay, so here begin document, end document, here sections are created. Here we no need any section. Okay, so now what we will do, we have to create frame. Okay, so begin slash hash curly brace and frame. So whenever we are beginning a frame, we must close the frame. Here, so here we will write the title of the slide. Okay, so the title of the slide. Okay, so what is the title? Title of the slide, like introduction. Okay, so introduction to LaTeX, like this. Okay. So based on your requirement, you can write the title also. So now here you will make the title. Okay. So what is the expected output we will get in? Okay. So one slide will create, one slide will create. So inside of the slide title is Introduction to LaTeX. In the middle of the slides, it will appear the sample TC and today date will appear. Okay. So now let's see the output of this simple creation of slides. Okay. So this is the output. Okay. So this is the output. Okay. So this is the way we can prepare here. We can make the slides. Okay. So whenever we want to create some slides, we must use frame command. Okay. So within frame only, we can write anything. Okay. Suppose I want to highlight something. So I want to enter some information into the slide. Okay. So there are some commands that we will see. Okay. One by one, we will see. So this is the basics. Okay. So in comparison with normal Microsoft slides, not normal Microsoft slide preparation, this LaTeX Beamer preparation is having some very good alignment as well as the text skill is enormous. Okay, so the text style is very good, it's excellent one in comparison with the other one. Okay, so now suppose you want to change this introduction position left into center, so you may use center. Okay, so how to use center? Okay, now let's see. Okay, suppose I want to make this introduction to LaTeX line into center partner. Simply we'll use one command slash centering, open curly braces and closed curly braces. Whenever you are opening any curly braces, you must close it, otherwise it will shows error. Okay, now we will compile it. Because the center is not working. So another command also is there. So the command is because it may not work because the inbuilt one. Okay, so the frame title is inbuilt one. Suppose you want to make you want to make it this one as a center one, so we have to write manually. Okay, now we will check. If it is working, it is fine. Otherwise, we will simply leave it. Then we will do manually. Okay. Now we will check. Okay. Yes, this is also is not working properly. So now what we will do? Simply remove this frame title. Okay. So simply remove this frame title. Here you can write. So text to PF. Introduction to LaTeX. Okay. Like, introduction to LaTeX. Okay, so I want to centering this one. What I will do, slash centering, open curly brace and close the curly braces. Okay. So that title, it will go to center place. Okay. Suppose I want to change this color. Okay. So another command we need to use. So what is the command? Slash text color. So I want to use purple color. Okay. So purple, close to curly brace. Again, you will open it and close. So this introduction to LaTeX black color will change to purple color. Are you clear? So this is the way you can style your text. Okay, you may change your colors, you may change your font size, you may change your font name, everything. Command we will do. Okay, so this is the simple example for making a single slide. Okay, so we can make multiple slides. We can create multiple slides. Okay, so only one thing you have to remember that your document class name, it must be a Beamer. So whenever you are once you change it into Beamer, inside of the that editor, you must use frame command. Okay, instead of the document, you must use frame command. Okay, suppose this is the one frame. Okay, now let's see. Suppose I want to highlight the outlines. Okay, so how to make that outline slide. Okay, so one another simple command is there. Okay, now I will use. Okay, so I want to create another slide. So begin. Okay, this is another slide. Okay, so instead of the another slide, only one command is there. So the command name table of content. The command name is table of. Okay, so the command name is table of. Okay. So table of contents, and here we must use section name. Okay, so section name introduction like this. So then only the outline will be displayed on the front page. Okay, so here introductions are appearing. So this is the frame title. Second, by default, frame title is there. Okay, so we may change it into outline. Okay, so we may change it into outline. So whenever we are using the section command, that will appearing into the outline page. Okay, so like this. So you can choose many sections. Okay, so you can type many sections. Okay, for example, introduction slide, and the literature review slide, result slide, and conclusion slide, like this. Okay, so introduction slide, next review of literature slide, and result slide, and finally conclusion. Okay, so this is the way we are conclusion slide. We are making outline slides. Okay. Yeah, this is the outline. Suppose I want to use some bullets. Okay, so what you will do? Again, you will use that itemize command. So instead of the item, you will put all those values. Okay, so this is the way you can create bullets. Okay, now let's see some simple example. Okay, so again, I will create another slide. Okay, slash. So slash begin. Slash. Okay. So frame title, bullets and numbering. Bullets and numbering. So bullets and numbering. So how to create bullets in LaTeX? So already we discussed. Begin, itemize. So begin, itemize. So instead of the itemize command, so we must use item command. Instead of item, we will write like book. Okay. So again, article. Okay. Article and reports, theses. Okay, like that. Okay. This is for bullet points. Okay, this is the example for creating bullet points. Okay. So this is one kind of bullets. Okay, LaTeX bullets 1, 2, 3. Now let's see how to numbering these values. Okay, so again we have to use another command. So the command name is slash begin enumerate. Okay, so enumerate, we must remember this is the enumerate command. Okay, so instead of the enumerate only, it will give numbers. Again, it will write the same thing. An item book, the item article. Okay. So now we will get the number. Are you clear? So this is the way we are formatting our slides. Okay, either it may be bullet points or numbering, whatever it is. Okay, so based on your requirement, you can do all those things. Okay, very simple. You must include that Beamer document class. Once we include the Beamer document class, you must use frame command. Okay, so frame is the slide. Frame command is which is used to creating the slides. Okay, so you can create multiple frames. Okay, you can create multiple frames. Multiple frame means multiple slides. Okay, you can create multiple slides with the help of frame command. Okay, so this is the way we are making slides with the help of LaTeX Beamer class. So these are all the basic things. Okay, so let's see. Suppose I want to color this book. Okay, already we discussed slash text color open curly brace. Okay, like purple. Okay, like purple. Open close to curly brace, open curly brace, and close to. Okay, so book color will change to purple color. Okay, now let's see. I want to change another color. Okay. There are some specific colors are there. Okay, you cannot use all the colors. There are some 10 or 11 colors are there. You must use that color only. Okay, so blue. I will change blue color. Okay, so it may change blue. Okay, so now I will change this color into some other color like green. So this report will change to green color. Okay, so this itemized environment supports all the colors. Okay, even enumerate also supporting all the colors. Okay, suppose I want to change this book color. Okay, so text color like purple. So those things will get same color. Okay, so this book will change to purple color. Okay, again that article will change to text color like blue and get it. So article will change to this black article will change to blue article. Okay. So similarly, reports also. So text color like green reports. Okay. So this is the way you are formatting your slides. You are making as a stylist. Okay. So suppose you want to tell me.
Hello, sir. If I'm writing one sentence overall and I have to just highlight one of the word, so in that case, I have to just write down that word in the bracket, not overall sentence.
Yes, you can do my emph /emph. With the help of this command, you can highlight your text for the particular paragraph. Or you may use italic command. So italic command name is /text it. Okay, I will explain. No problem.
Okay.
So now slash again I will create another slide. Okay, so begin frame end to frame. Okay, so frame title it may be paragraph. So paragraph alignment or something. Paragraph. So here I'm typing something. Welcome to workshop. Like welcome to workshop. So I want to highlight this workshop. Now what I will do? So I may just use that emph. Okay, so emph is a highlighted command. So we are using this command. It is appearing in a different way. Ma'am, are you clear, ma'am? Now the workshop is highlighted. It is different from normal text. Okay, so emph, that is the command for highlighting the text. Or you may use this command text IP. Okay, text IP also we may use and change it into highlighted one. Now, we may also suppose you want to change this black color into another color. Again, you will use some command, text color. Suppose you want to highlight in the color, just you will change. Otherwise, instead of EMPH, directly you can use text color. You want to change the color, black color into purple color. So text color, open curly brace, and purple. So purple, close the curly brace, open curly brace, and close it. So now the workshop color will change to purple. So this is the way you can highlight your text. Okay, so based on your requirement, okay, you can change any color. Okay, see, let's see. So for example, I want to type more than one. I want to present more than one point. Now what we'll do? See, let's see. Slash begin itemize slash begin itemize. So this is the first point. So this is the first point. The next one slash item. Second one. So just I will change the color. Second one, and you can choose multiple items. Multiple items you can choose. So first text color is purple. The second color is green, and the third one is purple, green, and yellow, blue, red. Red color of choose. Whenever you are making slides, you must use only three colors. Okay? White background, blue, or black. That's it. If you want to use many, suppose if you are using many colors now, so it is not the it may not attract many people. Okay, so this is my experience. That's why I'm telling you. Okay, now let's see another slides. Okay, so this is another slide. Okay, suppose I want to include some spaces. Okay, so what I will do? Again, we will use vertical space or V skip. Okay, V skip also we may use skipping the line between first line and second line. Okay, so V skip is 0.5 centimeter. 0.5 centimeter. So this much of spaces because 0. This is the distance between purple color workshop to green color, 0.5 centimeter. Okay, so I want to reduce to 0.2 or 0.25. Okay. So as you wish, you can based on your requirement, you will give the spaces to all the bullet points. Okay, so 0.25. Again, you may use 0.25. So you are doing this. Okay. So this is the way you are making Beamer slides. Okay. Now let's see the output. Okay. Now let's see the output PDF. Yeah, this is the sample. Now I download the slides, okay, and I will show you the output of our slide preparations. Okay, so now downloaded. Okay. Only 49.7 KB size. Okay, internet is it takes some time because so document class name, it must be a Beamer one. So that Beamer class is contained frame command. Okay, so this is our output. So this is our prepared No, I will change it to full screen mode. Okay, so this is the command we executed. Okay, so we make it as a slide. Okay, so introduction to LaTeX sample, and we prepared some outlines. Okay, so bullets and numbering hooks. Okay, this is the bullets and this is the enumerate values. These are all the normal bullets points. Okay, so this is the way we are preparing slides with the help of LaTeX Beamer. I hope you are clear how to make slides. Do you have any doubt, audience? Do you have any doubt, participants?
No, sir.
For this? Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. Now we'll go to our slides. Okay. So this is the basics about LaTeX Beamer. Okay. Next slides. So already we discussed. Okay. So whenever we are using the document class name as Beamer, we must use frames commands. Okay. So that frame command itself, we may enter our frame title name, the title of a slide. Okay. So this is the example. Begin frame title. So already we discussed. So itemize. Within the frame, we may use itemize command. So which means we will try to use bullet points, numbering, and everything. Okay. And sections also already we discussed. Okay. Suppose I want to make some outlines. Okay. So we must use table of content command. Okay. So that table of content command which helps to make and outlines. Okay. So whenever you are creating some frames, so you may use slash. You will make outline points. Okay. So whenever you suppose what the command of that outline making is a slash section. Okay. Slash section. Suppose I want to highlight only the current session. Okay. So this is the code slash table of content. Open brace, current section, close brace. Okay, so let's see the example. Okay, so the first one. So this is the outline. So we used to here. So open brace. So current section.
Sir, sorry for the interruption, sir.
Sir, tell me, sir.
Yes, sir. Can you please increase your volume, sir? I think it's slow, sir.
System it's slower, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is not good, sir. I think
sir,
it is not.
Sir, is it okay, sir? Sir, now it is okay, sir.
Little bit, sir. Little bit increase.
Sir, now, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Please carry on, sir.
Now it is okay, sir.
Now, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. I think Google the browser volume is I think reduced, so that's why we are getting less sound, low sound. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay, so current section. If you are using that current section, what will happen? By default, it will appearing only highlighting the current session. Okay, highlighting only the current session. For example, here, see, only the current session. Conclusion only visible. Okay, so conclusion only visible like that. We are utilizing that current section table of content current section command. Okay, so this is the outline. So remaining sections are remaining outline of slides are hidden. Okay, so only the current section only is appearing. Okay, so this is the way we are utilizing the Beamer commands, and finally we will prepare some very good slides with the help of LaTeX Beamer. Okay, so this is the basics. Okay, so this is the basics. See, let's see. Okay, so next slide we will see. Okay, so there is a possibility for creating multiple columns. Okay, so because suppose I want to highlight something in the form of table. Okay, so these kind of multiple column commands which helps to explain in an efficient way. Okay, so for example, if you are using the columns and the column environment, okay, to break the slide into columns. Okay, so the argument for each column determines its width. Okay, so already we discussed suppose if you are including some figure, so you must enter the width of the figure, height of the figure. Okay, so similarly in the column also, so you must include the width of the column. Okay, so then only it is appearing inside of the slide. Otherwise, it will go to in a wide range of output. Okay, so we must include the text width of column. Otherwise, it is coming beyond the level of that particular slide. Okay, so you suppose you want to use these kind of columns. Okay, so you must include multi-call package. Okay, so then only it is this kind of commands are working. Otherwise, it won't work. Okay, now let's see. Okay, so now let's see one simple example. Okay, so now slash. First, we must include multi-call package. So use. Okay, so use package multi-call. Okay, so multi-call. Okay, so again, I want to create a. I will create another slide. So again, slash begin, open curly brace, and close to curly brace. Okay, so now what we will do? This is title is multi-column. So multi-column slide. Multi-column slide. Multi-column slide. Okay, so just copy and paste it into is instead of the slide. Okay, now let's see the output. So for first column with this 0.4 and next column with 0.6. So why it's showing error? Because inside of the frame I created another frame. That's why it shows error. Do you understand that? Because I pasted these values above the end frame. So in order to reduce this error, you just cut the end frame and paste it before the end of item size. Okay. So one thing you must remember, whenever you are creating one frame, okay, so instead of that frame, you cannot create another frame. Okay. So LaTeX, it won't accept only one frame, which means only one slides are allowed to create it. Now we'll get some result, that column result. Are you clear? So this is the output of multi-column slides. Okay, only this side, 0.4 side, 0.6 position, like that. Okay, so based on your requirement, you may choose in which place you are placed that particular text. Okay, so that's why multi-column play a vital role for making slides. Okay, this is another slide example. Next one, highlights. Okay, so already we discussed. Suppose here we may use EMPH, okay, or alert. Alert also we may use for highlighting the text. Like if we, suppose we are making your slide in the Microsoft PPT, PowerPoint PPT. So suppose you want to scroll down your title. What we will do? So you have to select some command, and finally that text is moving one place to another place. Okay, so that is also one kind of alert, and that is dynamic one. Okay, so during the output time, it will moving one place to another place. Okay, so here let's see the difference between EMPH and alert. Okay, so here slash EMPH. Okay, so this is actually I want to highlight this text column. Okay, EMPH. This is EMPH. So this normal text, it may be converted into some highlighted text. Okay, so now I will change this argument into alert one. Okay, now let's see what will happen. Okay, So this is the alert one. Okay, so whenever we are using that alert command, by default, that text color is changed to red. Okay, that is one kind of alert. Okay, so no need to manually write in the code like text color equal to text color red. Again, we will open the curly brace and close that curly brace like that. Okay, so we are using the alert command. No need to use any. Suppose I want to use blue color. Okay, so that time alert it may not be suitable. Okay, so you manually will do and change the color. Okay, suppose alert red color is enough for making presentation. Okay, as you wish, you will do all those things. Okay, easily to creating slides. Okay, so this is the difference between EMPH and alert. So both are highlighted command. Okay, so this is the example for highlights. I should EMPH is changed to this type and important changed to important red color. Okay, or sometimes we may use that bold that text. So bold commands already we discussed. Okay, so here with this command. So what is the formula? What is the command? I want to bold the entire C, also these. Okay, slash text VF open curly brace and close curly brace. Okay, see the C also B change it to bolded. Change it to bolded one. Okay, so and the next one, suppose I want to change the color. Already we discussed. Okay, so already I said, suppose you want to change the color of that particular text, so you may use this command slash text color red and text name. Okay, again text color text name text color name and text. Okay, so this is the way you can highlight your text in the slides. Okay, very clear? Do you have any doubt in the highlights? If you want to know more about the colors, LaTeX colors, so you may visit this website. Okay, at the end of the workshop, I will share this LaTeX slides to Sir Satish sir. He will share to you. Do you have any doubt about these highlights? Okay. Now let's see figures. How to include figures into the slides. Okay, that is also very important. Okay, so we must use include graphics command. Okay, so that include graphics commands are available in the graphics package. Okay, so that include graphics are available in the graphics package. Okay, so now I want to create another slide. So slash begin frame and this one frame title is figures and first we'll include the package. Okay, so what is the package? There is graphics is the default package. Okay, so this is required for inserting the image. So without this graphics package, without including this graphics package, that include graphics command is not working in LaTeX Beamer. Okay, not only for LaTeX Beamer, even articles, books also it is not working. Okay, this is very important package for including figures. Okay, now I want to include this figure. Okay, so I want to include some figures. Okay. Now I have written this command. But where is the figure? So in the slides, they are using gerbil figure. Okay. So how to include the figure into the LaTeX slides? First, you will find out the figure. Okay. So what is the figure? So just for example, okay, I will take one figure. What is the figure? Like you can take any place, right? image PDF file like that. Okay, like there are so many PDF files. There are, you can take images, PDF files. You can take anything. Okay, so all formats are supported. Like okay, so I will save this image. This is JPEG format. Okay, and create players like players. My documents folder. This is JPEG format. Okay, so now what I will do, I got to include this figure into LaTeX Beamer. Okay, now go to LaTeX file and select the upload button and click it. Now select the file. Okay. So in different ways you may select your files. Okay, from another project you may select files from another with the help of some URL also you may select the files from your system, and from Mental also you may select the file. Okay, and from also you may select the file. So depends on your requirement, you may select all the files. Okay, so now my file is in document folder. I'll select it. Okay, and upload it into cloud. Okay, so what is the name of this image? Players.jpg. Okay, so players.jpg. Okay, so now here I will change Zerpil into players.jpg. Okay, so because already that particular JPEG files are available in the LaTeX Beamer, so that automatically it is appearing. Okay, so you got to directly select players.jpg. Okay, so that JPG image with this 0.5, and height also you may use nothing. Height equal to 0.5 / text height. Okay, that is another one. Now let's see the output of another. So this is the output. So this is the, suppose I want to enhance the width or height of the particular image. Okay, so here what we will do, change the command. So with this 0.5, so I will change to 1.0. Okay, so 1.0. I want to change height also. Height. Okay, so height equal to slash okay, so the height equal to text height. Okay, so text width and text height. I think is equal to 0.7. And 0 equals 1.0. This is not a big text here. Height. Okay. Height. Post it. Okay. My keyboard is having some problem. Now we'll run it. So now we'll change the height and width of a particular image. Okay. So this is the way we will get the output. So instead of this, because height and width is very important. Okay, if you are not mentioning any height and width, okay, so whatever the resolutions of having that particular image, that will appear into your slide. Sometimes your image is placed in beyond of these slides. Okay? So that height and width is very important whenever you are including any figure into slides. Okay, So this is the output of the graphics commands. Okay. Now let's see the output of this particular site preparations PDF. Okay. So sample one, create. This is our exercise. Okay, this is the sample outputs we are getting. Okay, bullets, numbering, paragraphs. This is the figure we included because see, usually LaTeX produces some very good figures. Okay, so very good output figures. Okay, but the format is very, very important. Here we used JPEG format. Okay, usually JPEG format, PNG format, it won't give some very good quality pictures. Okay, so that's why most of the people are including figures, PDF figures. Okay, so PDF format figures. If you are including PDF format figures, you will get some very good quality output. Okay, so let's see one simple example. Okay, so I want to. So that is the difference between JPEG and PDF quality images. Okay, so yesterday actually we have seen that that quality of PDF images. Okay, so PDF figures. Okay. Now I want to print something, some PDF files. Okay, let's see. Like. Like one simple example that figures I want to show like this figure. Okay, so this figure. So I included this figure. What is the figure name here? Fig minus SC. Okay. The figure name. Now let's see the output. The PDF format image. This is the PDF format image. Okay. Now I download. I will show you the output. Now let's see the difference between JPEG output and JPEG format image output and PDF format image output. Okay. So this is the PDF. Okay. So this is the output of PDF format figures. Okay. So whenever you are scanning, increasing the zoom values, the text quality it may not compromise. It looks beautiful. Okay. So even if you are zooming 700 or 800 or 1006.
Sir, your voice is not audible, sir. I don't know. First day it's facing some problem. Yesterday is fine, sir. Today it's not audible, sir.
Sir, please. Today, sir, whether it is up, sir. Now it is audible, sir.
Please increase, sir. Please increase more.
Okay, sir. Sir, now I am audible, sir. Now I am audible.
Yes, sir. You are audible now. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, so that is the difference between JPEG format images and PDF format images. Okay, so if you are increasing, if you are doing 1600 or 1000, the text quality it may not compromise. Okay, so that is the difference between these two slides. Okay, so if you are taking it to full screen mode, also look like beautiful. Okay, sir, I'm audible, sir. Is there any problem?
No, sir. You are not. Yes, sir. It's not audible, sir. So some disturbance is there. Your voice is not clearly understandable, sir. Yesterday is fine, sir. Yesterday is fine.
Sir, ask the participants, sir. So participants, am I audible?
The participant, are you okay with this audio?
Sir, it's audible, sir, for me. This is Dr. Sai Priya, sir. It's audible and it's clear also for me.
Oh,
Okay.
yes, sir. Maybe your system side, maybe some problems.
I don't know. I don't know, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Participant, okay, no
Ah.
problem, sir. Okay. Okay, sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Carry on, sir.
Yes, sir. So this is the way you can include your figures into LaTeX Beamer. Okay. Now let's see how to include tables into that Beamer slides. Okay. So this is the command. Okay. So yesterday session we discussed how to make table in an article document class. Okay. So similarly, we will use the same command for making tables. That tables is appearing in the Beamer slides. Okay, so Beamer slides. Now let's see. This is the command. Begin tabular. Tabular is the command. Left side, right side, and right side. So these are all the text name. So if you want to divide the text, we must use ampersand symbol. So this double slash it represent for going for next line. Okay, next line. And suppose I want to add some lines, so we must use this key, the straight line key. Okay, so which represent the lines. Okay, so lines. Now let's see. Suppose here I want to create another slide. Okay, slash begin okay, slash begin frame. So tables. Okay, so tables and text. Okay, so whenever we are using the tabular command, you must include tabular X package. Otherwise, this tabular command it won't work. Okay, so last class we have seen that. Okay, so you must include this package. So slash use package. Okay, so use package tabular X. Okay, tabular X. Now let's see the output. Okay, so begin frame, that is the frame title name, tables, begin tabular, and we are creating some 3-column table. Okay, so 3 column and 4 rows. Okay, so item, quantity, unit. So text line represent the horizontal line. So horizontal line of the table. Double slash represent go to next line. Okay, so that is the explanation of this table comments. Okay, now let's see the output. So this is the output. Okay, so this is the output of this particular command. So this is the output of particular command. So we created 3 columns and 4 rows. Okay, suppose I want to strike out these second row values. What I will do? Simple. So here I will use H line. Again, you will use slash H line. Again, you will use slash H line. So H line means horizontal lines are appearing into the output. Okay, output of the table. So this is the difference between horizontal line and a normal line. Suppose I want to change the table position into center place. So what is the command? Simply we use slash center. Okay. Slash centering is the command for slash centering. Yeah. So that it will go to center place. So this is the difference between normal table and LaTeX table. Okay. So LaTeX table quality is very good. Okay. So the position of each text we only decide. Okay, so whenever we are fixing the correct proper place, so it looks very beautiful. Okay, so that is the this is the way we can make the tables in LaTeX Beamer slide preparations. Okay, do you have any doubt for these LaTeX preparation slide? Participants, sir? See, if anybody having any doubt, please.
No doubt, sir.
Otherwise, I will continue.
So
Okay,
one
okay.
chat box one question is there, sir. Please address how to add animations in the LaTeX PPT.
Yeah, in the coming slides I will explain, sir. Animations also is there.
Yeah, it shows, please.
I will explain, sir. I will explain. Yeah. So next we'll discuss about what is block. Okay. So block is the environment. It makes a titled box. Okay. So block is the environment. It makes a title box. In order to make the title box, we must use block environment. Okay. For example, this is the source code. Begin block. Interesting fact. And interesting fact. And this is important. This is important is the message. Okay. So this is the block environment. Okay. So you need to change the. You need to highlight something as a title one. Okay. So alert block, this is the alert block. Already we know that alert usually having red color, okay, so that it is appearing like this. Okay, so this is the way the LaTeX commands are executed, and finally we'll get some very good outputs. Okay, and also we have the ability to change the themes. Okay, so there are many themes are there. So as per our requirement, so we may customize the themes also, themes of your slides. Okay, so what is the code of themes? Okay, so that themes commands are available in the use theme package. Okay, so use theme package. Okay, so there are color theme also is there, and normal blank theme also is there. Okay, so based on your requirement, you will choose the proper one. Okay, so the one thing you have to remember that you must know what is the package of that particular theme and what is the commands of that particular color theme. Okay, so everything you must know that. Otherwise, it is very difficult to write the command. Okay, now let's see the output of this program. Okay, like just only one change. Okay, use theme and use color theme. Means you are changing the entire slides theme. Okay, so that this command it must be placed in the top of the Beamer class. Let's see, the white background will change to another background. Okay, this is the difference between normal and so now theme colors has changed from white to this color. Okay, so like, are you clear? So this is the way. There are many themes are there. You go through Overleaf documentation and finally find out this kind of theme changing values. Okay. Okay, so this is the way you are changing the themes of the slides. Okay, so the code is use theme DAR DA or MSTADD is the one type of DOM. Okay, like the many themes are there. Okay, so I need to change another theme like Albert Rose. Okay, Albert Rose is another theme.
Hello, sir.
Tell me, ma'am.
Yeah. Are they suggested directly the theme name, like as a in a word as we put like as a word in a Times New Roman?
Your audio is not clear.
Like this. What?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Your audio is not clear, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
now
ma'am.
it is.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am. Suppose you want to change the
ma'am, you can type the
text.
question. If audio is not that much clear, no? You can type the question.
Is it
yes,
audible
ma'am.
now?
Please type your. So okay, ma'am. Please tell me.
Okay, so I want to ask, as we see the suggested text font in the Word file, like a text Times New Roman or something like that, or in a PPT also they suggest some themes. So is Overleaf suggested anything like as you type there that DARM something that DARM STADP. So is it directly suggested by Overleaf or we have to always put the name? Because sometimes we don't know what is the name for that particular thing, na? That's why I'm asking this.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Very good, ma'am. Okay. So that is good question. Okay. See, usually there are many themes are there, but the default theme is white background. Okay. So white background is the default theme. So based on based on the white background, you will make all the frames. Okay. So in order to change other frames, so there are many other frames are there. So see, based on the user requirement, you need to customize your themes. Okay. Otherwise, you will simply skip it. Okay. Someone is asking to use some particular theme now, so you must you must enter the proper command, then only that will change it to proper theme. Okay, suppose we want to change some text, see here, text changing or theme changing, everything is happening for all the slides. Okay, everything will be applicable to all the slides whenever you are changing in the document class. So the entire slide informations are changed. For example, theme. Okay, if you are using one theme code, so the entire slide backgrounds are changed. Okay, so similarly, suppose I want to change the size of the text. So here you will utilize with the help of these brackets. Okay, so 12 pt times New Roman. Okay, so 12 pt times New Roman. So here you will type all those things, size of the text and text name and everything. Are you clear, ma'am? Yesterday, actually, we discussed.
Yes, sir, it is clear, but I just want to ask that as you use that package, use theme Darmstadt, something like this, that word. I actually pronounce it
yes,
wrong.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So,
yes,
is it, as we can see, it is the name of that particular thing, is it? But
yes, ma'am.
sometimes
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. That is the name.
We don't know the name of any particular theme. We want to choose different theme. We have to just select some, or we have to try some different theme. But we don't know that theme
Yes,
name
ma'am.
like this. So how to directly
that's why.
take
That's why we learn the theme LaTeX, ma'am. We must learn all those commands. Then only we will make the PPT. Otherwise, we can't do anything. Okay? Otherwise,
the doubt is, I also have the same doubt. The doubt is, in the Word or in MS Office, right? We have a drop down menu. And we can select anything.
Drop down menu.
We can select, we can select the font, right? We can select the theme name. So we don't have to remember. Isn't it? That is available to me. Even I can see in our presentations, whenever you are typing something after that document class, then Beamer is, you can select, right? There is a drop down menu for Beamer, for document. There is a drop down menu come.
Okay, ma'am.
Document class, there is Beamer I can select. Likewise, is there anything I can select for the theme? Or do I have
theme
to
for entire, ma'am? Theme for entire slides or specific slides? You are asking.
Anything, sir. Anything. Suppose that I wanted to make a master slide, right? I can make in MS Word, right? I can set my settings for the master slide, and those settings will be available for my each slide. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So suppose if I wanted to do that same in the LaTeX, do I need to by heart the theme name, or the drop down menu will be available to us?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Good question. Yes, ma'am. Good question, ma'am. Okay. See, usually there are some inbuilt commands, theme commands are there. Okay. So that command only supported that LaTeX Beamer, but almost everything is covered. Okay. So in order to learn more commands, you may go through Google or Overleaf documentation. Okay. So there are many things are there like Albatross, Beaver, Crane. Okay. So etc. Many things are there. So the only thing you have to remember that we must learn the commands. Then only we will make PPT. Otherwise, it is very difficult to change all those things because the fundamental commands we must remember. We must learn. Okay. Suppose you want to change the theme of all the slides. So simply use your commands bottom of the document class. Okay. So this is the way you can change the theme background of the particular slides. Very clear, ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm audible, ma'am? Are you clear?
Yes, you are very much audible.
Yes. Yes. There is no any drop down option or no any choice from that we can select anything. Is it like this, sir?
Ma'am, actually comments are there.
Remember.
So yes, ma'am, comment. Ma'am, there are a lot of things are there. Okay, so this is the basics workshop, but there are so many comments are there for doing that top down drop menu and means if I'm explaining those things, it will take so much time. Already 7:40.
Okay.
So
okay,
this is the fundamental. But if you want to learn more about these, you go through that Overleaf documentation, ma'am. Many things are there. Simply we cannot say in a single command line. So we need to explain in an elaborate way, ma'am. Then only you can understand more about the LaTeX, because LaTeX is like a ocean.
Okay.
See, for every technology is like a ocean, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. So thank you, ma'am. So this is the way you can make you can change the themes of the entire slides. Okay. And animation. Okay, so the animation code is nothing. Suppose you want to pause some of the slides. Okay, there are 10 slides are there. So whenever suppose we are presenting some slides, you want to hide some slides. Okay, so that time what you will do? So you make use of pause command. Okay, so that particular slides are hidden. Okay, so that particular slides are hidden. Okay, this is this. And if these item anticipation items are hidden when you are presenting head. Okay, I will explain this. Okay. Slash begin. Okay. Frame. Okay. So which is animation like this. So we change the title. Okay. So animation. Now we compare it. So anticipation is appearing. Why anticipation is appearing? Because you must. Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, sir. Sir.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, sir. Please,
yes.
Unmute. That someone is asking something, sir.
Yes. Ma'am, please tell me ma'am, what is your query, ma'am? Your voice is not clear, ma'am. Please use the chat box, ma'am. Priya, ma'am. Yes.
Sir, I think so. Okay, sir. No problem.
Priya, ma'am, please use the chat box, ma'am. Your voice is not clear. Yes, sir. You can answer, please.
Yes. Okay. So now I will see the output of that particular. So like it, double click the sample thing. Okay. So and go to full screen. Let's see. I think we changed the themes. Articles, paragraphs, multi-slides, figures, tables. So this is the animation. Okay, someone asked the questions. Okay, so one bullet points are hidden. Whenever we are using the enter, the anticipation appearing. Okay, we understand that only one command you must use, pause /pause. If you are using that command, your that informations are hidden. Okay, so this is the difference between normal text bullet points and animated one. Okay, see, this is the difference. I'm using down arrow, okay, and up arrow. Up arrow now that is hidden. That particular text is hidden. And now I used down arrow so that it is up here. This is animation. LaTeX Beamer. Sir, tell me, sir. Sir, this is the way we are utilizing the Beamer for making presentations. Okay. And drawing with TikZ. Okay, so TikZ is a package for drawing figures in LaTeX. Okay, so it is a powerful drawing language. So the difference between TikZ and include graphics command is Actually, include graphics commands, it is utilizing the uploaded figure. But whereas in TikX, we are drawing the diagrams with the help of LaTeX code. Okay, so we are drawing the diagram with the help of LaTeX code. So that this TikZ picture command is available for this TikZ package. Okay, so whenever suppose you want to use this command is available in the TikX package. Okay, so now let's see one simple example so that you can easily understand. Suppose I want to draw one straight line. Okay, so one line. So what we will do? Okay. So here again I will create another slide. Okay, again I will create another slide. Frame. Okay. And this one is animation. Okay. So not animation. Speak. So, this. Okay, so you must include TikX package also. Okay. So slash package. Let's see the output of the straight line. Okay. Yeah, this is the output for this code. This is the straight line. Okay. So suppose you want to draw something like a square bracket or straight line or something. So you must use TikX package and as well as tick pictures. Okay, so tick pictures command. Okay, so inside of the tick pictures command, you have to draw the line. Okay, so height and length of the line. Okay, so length of the line. So this is the way you can draw your figures into the LaTeX Beamer. Okay, so TikX. So there are so many examples are there. TikX coordinates also is there. Okay, this is the code. If possible, you will try your exercises. Okay, so lines also is there. This is the code. Okay, so path also is there. Image is the path. Okay, so specifically multiple points path. Okay, so there are many things are there. You will try in your home. Okay, so still if you have any doubt, you mail me so that I will help you to sort out your problems. Okay, so that's why that is the only thing you have to remember, that there are two possibilities are there. Either you make it some PDF images and upload it into the that LaTeX file, then you will use that input graphic, then you will get the output. That is the one path you will upload your figures. Okay, so the second path is if you are exporting LaTeX, you can draw a diagram with the help of some LaTeX codes and appearing into your slides or article or whatever it is. Okay, so but it takes some time. If you are drawing some figures with the help of some LaTeX codes, it takes some time. But once you drawn the diagram, it looks beautiful in comparison with the uploaded figure. Okay, so that is the difference between TikX pictures and normally include graphics command pictures. Okay, so functions also you may do with the help of TikX pictures. Okay, now let's see notes with Todonotes. Okay, so here we will use todo command. Okay, for the Todonote, whenever you are using this command, you must include Todonotes package. So this is the source code and this is the output. Okay, so similarly we'll get all the outputs. Todonotes and notes with, suppose you want to highlight something. Okay, so highlight something now, so you make use of the to-do notes. Okay, so this is your exercises. Okay, so once I completed this workshop, you will do these exercises in your home. Okay, so still if you have any doubt, so feel free to mail me, then I will explain more. So best of my knowledge. Okay, so this is our summary of day 3. So I hope that you understand how to make presentation with the Beamer, okay, and how to draw pictures with the help of TikX package, okay, and Todonotes also. And that's all workshop. Okay. If you have any questions, please ask me. Sir, Sadish, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. So I'm not feel good, sir. Your audio end of the session, until the end of the session, I am not feeling good. So I don't know what's the problem is going on your end. My side, I don't know the problem is my side. Your audio is not clear. That is I'm feeling today. Okay, fine. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your wonderful session, sir. So it's really insightful, sir.
Okay, sir. So please ask participants.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Dear participant, do we have? I think sir covered more. What are the things we want to cover, which is mentioned in the brochure. So everything we are trying to cover. So if you have any doubt, so you can unmute yourself and discuss with the resource person, please.
Hello, sir. I'm Geeta speaking.
Yes,
I thought your session is wonderful. I mean, your slides are good. Your explanation is also good, and you have cleared the doubts of the participants. I thought I can learn from this, and you are placing a YouTube link over there. That is also very helpful for us. Plus your PPTs. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much for your valuable feedback, ma'am. Any other questions? So we will move feedback sessions after the once finish the Q&A. So if you have any queries, you please ask that. So there is no queries means we can directly go to the feedback session. So it's a validity function. So then we can wind up the session. Do you have any queries, please?
Hello. Hello, sir. I'm audible.
Yes, sir. You are
audible.
Yes,
sir. Sir, please, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I have one, I have already raised the queries regarding how to change the fonts, different fonts. And second thing is like how to insert the date and slide numbers.
Okay, sir. So okay, you want to see that how to make that slide numbers. Okay, so it's very simple, sir. I will show you one example so that you can easily understand. Okay. I will show my PPT, sir. I will show my PPT so that you can easily understand how to put slide number. Very simple. Only one simple command is there. Two commands is there. Okay. Let's see. Numbering. I will show you. Okay. So, sir, this is the command. Okay. Sir, set page number. Sir, set Beamer color page number in head or foot or black, and this one. Another. This is the color change, and this is the size of the particular text. Okay, sir, here, sir. Sir, appearing, sir. Sir, is it visible, sir?
Yeah, it's visible.
Yeah. So that is the two commands you must use, sir. That's why it's the slide numbers are appearing, sir. The page numbers. Page numbers of the slides are appearing.
And my second question was to how to change the font, like from Times New Roman to any other Grammar or any other.
Here, sir. So in the sir here, sir. After the 10 PT, so again use the square bracket and type the name of the font, sir. Font name, like Times New Roman, Arial, like this. Sir, is it visible, sir?
Okay. Yeah.
Here, you will type your font name after the size of the font. Sir, are you clear, sir? Yes, sir. If you are putting your font name, so the entire document font size are changed. Font size is changed.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Jairam sir, for your valuable question. So, any other question from the participant side, we can entertain Q&A. Otherwise, we close the Q&A sessions. We can move on feedback session. So, if you have any other queries, please unmute yourself and discuss with the
Sir, one more query. Like you show the animation with the text. So, can we do the same thing with the figures?
Just you slash pause, open curly braces and closed curly braces. Sir, I will show you. Okay. Nothing, sir.
4
Sir,
figures
just
I'm
1 minute.
asking.
Yes, sir. Sir, good, sir. Sir, you can do anything, sir. Sir, let's see. Where is figure is there? Sir, only one command, sir. /post. Okay. Sir, this is the figure. Okay. So this is the figure, sir.
Yeah.
So before the figure, you will type PAUS pause, open curly brace, and yes, sir. Now it is not appearing. So that what we will do? We have to download. Sir, are you clear, sir? Sir, I'm using up arrow key and down arrow key. So now
Yes.
I'm using up, so it's guided. Now I'm using down appearing.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine, sir. Fine, sir.
You can do anything. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And sir, one more query is that, so here
Yes,
we
sir.
are output is in the PDF file, right? For every like
Yes,
for
sir.
paper and for this presentations also. But sometimes we
Yes, sir.
present in the big screen, so we have to just like scrolling. It's not coming like a PowerPoint presentations, or is it coming?
No, sir, it is coming like, sir, it is coming like a own presentation, sir. So that's why we are creating a table of content. Sir, this is our presentation output, sir. So I will show you. This is the presentation output. So it is look like a beautiful one, sir. I'm using the down arrow key. I'm using down
Okay.
arrow key. Okay, so let's come to the next slide, like this.
Okay. So we just need to make it full screen and then we use the down.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Device is also working, sir. The projector devices also is. If you are using some devices like remote, we may change the slides.
Oh, okay, sir. I will try because earlier
Yes, sir. Please try, sir.
not working, but I will try. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please work.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Sir,
Any other question from the participant side? Okay. I think there is no question from the participant side, sir. So then we can move on the validator function. So thank you so much, sir. First, we want to send our gratitude to you for accepting our invitation and take our last 3-day session. So wonderful. So I think the workshop will fruitful to everyone. So I think all the participants benefited from last 3 days. Meanwhile, dear participant, I'm giving a humble request to you. If you're facing any problem during practice, so if you are using the LaTeX is a new, it may be that you are a new person. Sorry. It may be you are the new person, or it may be that you are experienced person, or a little bit you are experienced. Okay. So if you're facing any problem, if you are facing any troubles during LaTeX document preparation, you can use our WhatsApp channel, so WhatsApp group. So you can post it your question as soon as possible. We will try to solve your problem. So that is my humble request to you. So thank you so much, Kumaresan sir, for your time and for your patience to take the session. So wonderful, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everyone. So I hope that you understand. Actually, I mostly covered. So I covered all the topics.
Yes, sir.
All
We
the
are planning.
basics
We will plan the
of that
futures
LaTeX.
elaborate LaTeX workshop, sir. So as a continuation workshop, it will be
Sure, sir.
planned, sir. No issue.
Sure, sir.
Yeah.
So thank you, everyone. Thanks for coming.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Dear participant,
Yes,
this
sir.
is the time. So we are waiting for this time. Really, I am waiting for this time. So please share your valuable feedback. So what are the things you are, whether the workshop is fruitful or not, so whether the workshop it will be giving good impact in your knowledge and in your research. So most of the things we are covering as per the research scholar, what are the things we need. So we are covering the topics as per our need only. So I hope all the sessions, all the topics, it will be related to your related to the document, essential document preparation. So who is coming from? It may be you are the research scholar, you are the assistant professor. So it may be that. So it is most everyone. It's needed to document preparation with the LaTeX. It's most important topics, hard topics nowadays. So many people are moving MS Word to LaTeX because the LaTeX is giving the good clarity of the document. So that is the main things they are moving for MS Word to LaTeX. So thank you so much for your presence. Please unmute yourself and share your valuable feedbacks. So it's really giving the energy to conduct more workshop, more this type of the workshops, which is really benefited to the research scholar, our research community. So please register your valuable feedback. So it will be giving that it will be boost up us. So please unmute yourself and share your valuable feedbacks, please.
Hello, sir.
Sir, Sadish, sir, shall I?
Yes, sir, just wait.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm audible to everyone, no?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Yeah. Yes, sir. It's really a good session, or we can say actually fruitful and best session. I saw on actually the LaTeX, because as I'm a mathematics research scholar, so it is really actually needful for me for like any research paper or thing, because for the equation it is actually difficult to type equation in the LaTeX for me, or I face some problems to type any kind of equations and all these things. But it is really this workshop is really good for me, or give it is actually give me more information. It is work for me actually. It is saying, and that themes and presentation, all this actually really work for me. So it is. Thank you so much, sir. It is good and best session I ever saw on the LaTeX actually.
Yeah, thank you so much, Sally
Thank you,
ma'am,
ma'am.
for your valuable feedback. So yeah, thank you, ma'am. We are really happy for that, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
And your voice is actually clear for us. Sir's voice is clear for us.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. I
Thank
think
you,
the
ma'am.
problem is coming in my side. I don't know that it's maybe network issue, some laptop issue, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Your side is clear, means no problem, ma'am. Your satisfaction is more important as ma'am.
Yes. And we are
Yes.
seeing for the next workshop also.
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Yeah.
Sure, please. Yeah. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Please, next, any other feedbacks? So we are really excited to hear that your valuable feedbacks.
Good evening, all. This is Dr. Sai Priya.
Yes,
Thank you,
how are you?
Kumaresan sir, for the wonderful session, sir. Actually, I am completely new to the LaTeX, sir. Actually, like I learned a few basics, but I may not an advanced version. But thanks a lot, sir. You have clearly explained all the concepts with practical sessions. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Priya ma'am. Thank you so much for your continuously participating Scholars Gate event, ma'am. We are really appreciate you, and we are welcome our next session also.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Sadish, sir.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Any other feedback? So we are really interested to hear that. You can use the chat box also, please. Please share your valuable feedbacks. So Kumarasan sir, just wait 1 or 2 minutes, sir, so we can wind up the session, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Please use the chat box also. Thank you so much, Sahili or Nigam ma'am. So thank you for your valuable feedback. Vijay Bhaskar Reddy sir, thank you sir. Thank you so much for your active participation. Priya ma'am, thank you so much ma'am. I think you are facing some accidents. You are putting the WhatsApp message, so please take care of your health ma'am. Yeah, thank you so much ma'am.
Hello, sir. This is Jairam from IIT Jammu.
Yes, sir. How are you, sir?
Actually, like I have attended all the sessions, so I think it's quite good. So thank you, Professor Kumreshan, and so sorry, sir,
Sadish.
about your name. Yeah.
Sadish Kumar.
So it was
thank you, sir.
Yeah,
thank you.
yeah. It was a wonderful sessions. All the sessions are wonderful, and it's good. So I also learned many things in this workshop.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Okay. So I think we are not able to speak in hospital. Okay, ma'am. Priya ma'am, no issue. You should please take care of your health. So we will share. I think you are missed some section of today's session. So we will share that YouTube link, so you can utilize that recording. So if you are facing any trouble while we are preparation the documents through the LaTeX, please take care of your health, ma'am. No issue. Yes. Okay. Fine. Sir, Kumarasan sir, thank you so much for your wonderful sessions. Feedback also is getting good feedback. So problem it may be my side. So I'm not feeling that good audio experience. So it may be the problem is my side. So thank you so much for your presence and your patience and your wonderful session, sir, and accepting our invitation also. So thank you so much, sir. We will work together in future also, sir.
Sir, can I?
Sure, sir. Sure.
Hello.
Yes,
sir,
someone is.
Sir, this is Manimohan actually, Dr. Manimohan actually.
Yes.
As I'm completely new to LaTeX, and
Yes,
I'm
sir.
sure, okay, like I'll be having many follow-up like queries about it. So my query is simple actually. Do you have like a YouTube like tutorials and the likes from your side? Because I'm completely new to LaTeX and I find this session very useful. But yesterday somehow I was facing internet connectivity.
Okay.
But the beginning, the first day and today I have attended it well. So just that
now we are not uploading any YouTube videos, sir, because what are the sessions recording only we are uploading the YouTube. So you can access, you are the participant mean you can access that video 3 months. After 3 months you can access that video. Apart from that, we are not promoting YouTube videos, sir. YouTube also.
That's fine. I mean, like if I have any follow-up queries, is I will continue to explore LaTeX. Can I like how do I solve my queries? Like, can I follow up?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will search anybody is in there and that LaTeX YouTube video. So I will share the channel name and the link also, sir. You can utilize that.
Okay. Thank you. That's so kind of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yes, sir. We are Kumarasan sir. We came our conclusion. So thank you so much for your presence, sir. Thank you so much for a wonderful session. So, dear participant, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, and
thank you very much, sir.
All the participants, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Dear participant, already we shared the feedback link. So there are two types of the feedback we are collecting. First one is a Google form. Second one is a Google review. So both feedback is essential for us. So please submit your feedbacks before 12 p.m. of tomorrow. So once we received all the feedbacks, then only process your certificate. The certificate it will reach you within 48 hours. So your cooperation is most important. So please submit your both feedbacks, Google form also and Google review also. So both feedback. So as soon as possible, so we can process your certificate and video recordings and what are the materials shared. Everything it will be reached. Already we share the materials and recording link through the WhatsApp group. So in the formal mail and in the along your certificate, the 3 days video recording link and what are the document we have shared in the last 3 days, all the document it will be placed in that Gmail. So kindly submit your valuable feedbacks. Then only we can process. Then only we can move on certificate preparation and reach the certificate within prescribed time schedule. I'm expecting the good cooperation from your side. I hope the sessions, all the sessions are fruitful. I think you are enjoying the last 3 days session. So do you have any feedbacks? Do you have any queries for last 3 days session? You can simply post in the WhatsApp group also. We will notice and we will solve your problem as soon as possible. So thank you so much for giving this wonderful opportunity. So this time I would like to announce our next program. So our next program is, it's purely based on the biotechnology. So biological and botany students, so who are all working under that biotechnology and botany and healthcare industries and biomaterials. So we are giving the workshop in the title of Pyrex software. The Pyrex is one of the protein simulation. It's one of the Python simulation software. So we are providing for the protein simulations, which is helpful for identifying the effective proteins which is available in the body. So it is a simulation only. So detailed brochure we will share through the WhatsApp group. So if you're interested, if you are belongs to you that biotechnology and biological and biomaterial domain, you can register that event also. That is a 2 days event. So we will share that brochure. So within the brochure, all the details and the topics we are mentioned there. So if you're interested, you can join that. So thank you so much for giving this wonderful opportunity. We will meet another occasion as soon as possible. Thank you and take care. Yeah, Rajesh.